Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will be making this delicious seafood baked meal, so stay tuned so you can see exactly how I made it. So starting off, I kind of just wanted to show you all what I'm using, the brands and everything. So I got this corn right here from Trader Joe's. I got my crab legs from Whole Foods, my broccoli, my shrimp, Trader Joe's, and my butter and this herb and garlic sauce. So yeah. So normally I would use a little bit more than this herb and garlic seasoning. Literally, I didn't know I was running low, so I just had to use what I had. So this is the final product of my food. I'm excited about how it turned out. It turns out actually really good. And it's a quick and easy meal in under 45 minutes for everything. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you try this recipe. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to comment below. And yeah, I hope you try it and let me know how it works for you. So thank you for watching again. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and cut that bell notification on. So yeah, see you all in my next video. Bye.